Masakit na kanta eh. Sir Danny! Nakita kita! Thank you po sa awitin. Napakagandang awitin na ito. How could you say that? You say that you're always the truth. Looking in your eyes, I see you lie. You're trying hard to hide that there's someone who you found and you want to do me that used to care. How can you hurt me this way? Everything I do was loving you. How could you try pretending your love was never a thing? Now you can deep say that you would stay. How could you say you love me when you would leave me? How could you make me hurt so bad when I have loved you more than anyone could do? Can't believe the pain that I'm feeling now because I love you. I can't see it to understand. How can love be so unkind? Still you broke my heart this time around. Still my love was not enough. Though I've given you my all, I can take it anymore. Sakit. Taas pa. Ito naman kung ang pinanalo ko po sa Star for the Night ng semi-finals. Just you like this? And how you like that? Hindi ganyan na. Pero nung elementary ako, ganyan ako. Pero ngayon na church. Touch me like this. Sige, seryoso na tayo. Kasi nung nadaan ko na ganyan kasi kabagay talaga ako ngayong gabi. Okay. Sige po, red wine? Mamaya, red wine po. Okay.
Nakahit-hit yata si Sam.
Hindi mo na! Joke lang, joke lang. Find your own voice. Sorry, Selena. Okay, sana na. May pag-isinin pa rin ang pasensya na po.
Oh, may different.
There were nights when the wind was so cold that my body froze in bed if I just listened to them right outside the window. There were days when the sun was so cruel. All the tears turned to the dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever. I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember when or how. And I vanished every memory you and I had ever made. But when you touch me like this, and you hold me like that, to admit that it's all coming back to me. You touch me like this, and I hold you like that. It's so hard to believe that it's all coming back to me. The flash and the fantasy, all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me Ito naman mong susunod kong kanta na napakalaki yun ang papel nito sa buhay ko at sa career ko. May story ho itong kantang ito. Noon po, na-trauma akong kantahin to. Ayaw na ayaw ko na talagang kantahin. Kasi the first time na kinanta ko, pinaaral sa akin kaagad, no? The next day, to perform ko na sa isang school program. No? And, oo, doon. Sa school namin, SM. Eh, yung ano, crush ko na, at nanood. Siyempre, pagka nandun yung crush mo, pa-impress ka, di ba? Pero hindi ako confident kasi hindi ko pa siya naaral ng gusto eh. Hindi ko pa memorize.
Memorize.
Ngayon din nagkamali ako, pinaulit-ulit ko yung lyrics, tapos parang pumiyok ako ng konti. Huwag naman ako pipiyok ngayon, ha? Wala naman. Oo. Iyang-iya talaga ako sa crush ko. Wala na, ayoko nang kantahin. Eto, pinractice ko hanggang sa talagang alam ko na gamay ko na yung range, pati yung boses na hindi yun, nakuha ko na. Masakit ko po yun eh, pasensya na. At kinanta ko po siya nung high school naman ako. At that time, alam ko na yung mensahe ng kanta, ramdam ko na. So yung crush ko na naman
Ayan naman.
hindi siya yun iba na. Nanonood din sa isang school program din namin.
Dami crush.
Crush ko siya. Sabi niya, crush niya rin daw ako. Hindi siya mga love letters. Tapos, bigla nga lang nagpumigiligan ako ng iba.
Aray!
Ayun na nga. So, eto na.
Ano?
Feel ko. Napakalaki mo ng utang na loob ko sa kantang ito. Really thankful to this song. Because it started it all.